Hi folks, just a quick video. As you can see, the bike's outside, it's not here, and that's because I took it out to try it after I fitted the pulse generator. Unfortunately it still doesn't start. It turns over but doesn't fire, so basically the same thing again. So I'm not sure where to go from here, because I've kind of eliminated almost everything I can think of. One thing I did notice though was that as I was turning the engine over, it started to get the battery started to be a bit tired. You know, like it was turning over but it was getting slower, if you know what I mean. So I brought the battery in, put the battery on charge on my trickle charger. It's showing a red light and a yellow light but not a green light yet, which suggests to me that the battery is a bit low on juice. Part of the reason for that will be because of all the kind of testing that I've done as I've been going along doing the electrics. I've had the headlights on and off lots of times, and you know, the indicators and clocks and so on and so forth. So I think that's possibly what's drained the battery, not to mention the fact that I've now tried quite a few times to start the engine, kind of turning it over and over and over and over, cranking it, trying to get it to fire, and obviously it hasn't fired, so the battery's not being charged by the alternator at all. So that's why I put the battery on charge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge that for a good few hours. I've covered the bike up just now, but I think what I'll do is, once the battery's charged up, tomorrow morning I'll probably take the battery out and try putting it in the bike and give it another try, see if it'll start with the battery fully charged up. My neighbour's also offered to lend me a battery to jump it off, so I might try that as well. But to be honest, it's not looking too hopeful at this stage. I don't think I'm going to have it running before Christmas, realistically. So that's the bad news. The good news is I've got a friend who lives about, I don't know, 50-60 miles away. Somebody who bought my old Honda VTR, who's very kindly suggested that his father-in-law might be willing to have a look at my CBR 900 and maybe help with that. But of course, because it doesn't run, I'd have to work out how I'm going to get it down there. So my neighbour has a trailer, so I might be able to trailer it down there, or if it won't fit in his trailer I might just stick it in a van. But I need to see it, how that works out. I need to basically it's gonna get left until the new year at this rate, so I possibly won't be uploading many videos over the next few weeks. But thanks very much for watching, and hopefully next time I upload a video I will have the bike running. Fingers crossed. Alright, thanks for watching.